Good morning, everyone. This is our class 5th Marigold. Here we are going to learn chapter Bamboo Curry. Have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. So, here is the story about making curry from bamboo. Bamboo is a one type of plant. You can see here in these pictures. This is called bamboo. So, one day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Santhal is a scheduled tribe in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, etc. in area. They are living in forests and they are tribal areas. So one day, a Santhal bridegroom, newlywed person visited her mother-in-law's house and mother-in-law cooked a special dish for him. This curry is delicious. Delicious means very tempts to eat, very जिसे कहते हैं स्वादिष्ट. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Mother-in-law pointed. She suggested in science that this is made from that bamboo. From bamboo. So mother-in-law here wanted to say that this curry is made of bamboo. 3. The next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So, in next day, the bridegroom was about to leave mother-in-law's house, and he liked the bamboo curry very much. So he suddenly remembered that there was no bamboo plant in his village. So what did he do? Look here. 4. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. So he removed his mother-in-law's house door. It is funny. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. And he brought the door to his own house. 5. On reaching his village, as he reached his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. He ordered his wife that make curry with this door. 6. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? This girl, a bride, knows that one cannot make curry from this type of bamboos. So he told his husband that how can I make curry out of this bamboo? 7. Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo, he said. He said, come here and I will help you chopping up the bamboo, he said. 8. His wife boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook? Here, a young man insisted his wife to make bamboo curry from that door's bamboos. Our wife said him that we cannot make curry from this type of bamboos. He insisted, I will help you to chop chopping up. So his wife was compelled to make item from that bamboo door. His wife boiled and boiled it, and then his husband tasted it. Oh, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to make, how to cook. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. His wife added more water in it and boiled it. It's still too hard. I can't eat it. It was still hard because one cannot make any food item from fully grown bamboos. And here was the police person who compelled her wife to make curry from this grown bamboo. 10. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" At that evening, his in-laws visited him, and his mother-in-law said that the bamboo curry was made from bamboo shoot. Shoot means here buds. Very small bamboo plant. When it grows early in the buds on the soil, that time they pluck it and make curry. Not from that big, fully grown bamboo trees or bamboo pipes. And all laughed at him. This is a Santhal folk tale. Folk tale means a story which is prevalent in or which is very popular among folk peoples, local peoples. So, this is the end of our story. Goodbye.